Hello friends, welcome to Bong Football. This is our second English content video. Today we will provide the best Indian football transfer updates and the news that was hit the highest in transfer market past week. So without any further delay, let's begin our video. So friends, let's start with past week's best transfer rumors and updates. I-League side Trau FC have announced the signing of defender Naresh Singh from ISL side Jamshedpur FC. 22 years old, Manipur-born Naresh Singh Yendrambam played football locally before joining the renowned Tata Football Academy. Naresh Singh moved up from TFA to the Jamshedpur FC reserves and spent the last 2.5 of seasons with them, playing in the second division league and local Jamshedpur league. Trau FC have signed Naresh Singh to replace other defenders who have left the club to join teams in the ISL. Real Kashmir FC have secured the signing of former Shillong Lajong striker Dipanda Dika ahead of next season. The 31-year-old has spent a one-year deal with the Snow Leopards. Dika was in sublime form for Punjab FC last season, garnering 12 goals from 16 appearances, valued at 16.66 million Indian rupees. Dika has been carrying his rich vein of form in the I-League for a number of seasons now. He has been the top goal scorer in Mohun Bagan, Shillong Lajong, and the Kashmir side will be hoping that Dika continues his goal scoring antics in the valley. Jessel Carneiro has signed a new 3-year contract extension with Kerala Blaster FC. The experienced Goan left back was a mainstay for Kerala during the 2019-20 ISL season, having captained Goa at the 2018-2019 Santosh Trophy. Jessel will be a key figure in the KBFC defense for the upcoming edition of ISL. Coach Kivo Vikuna said Jessel is one of the top Indian left back in the country. He had a fantastic season last year and is a very important player for our team. We are very happy to have him extend his stay with the club. Jessel, who joined Kerala from Dempo SC last season, had a positive impact on the team and is the only player to have played every minute of the previous edition for the club. The ISL defender recorded the most number of passes, 746, with a passing accuracy of 72.65% for KBFC in the last season. He contributed 5 assists, which is also the highest by Indian Super League side. Odisha FC on Monday announced the signing of goalkeeper Ravi Kumar for 2 years ahead of the 7th edition of the tournament. After playing for Indian Arrows and Sporting Club de Goa, Ravi Kumar was selected for Delhi Dynamos in the second season of the Hero ISL. He has also played in the ISL for Northeast United and Mumbai City and the I-League for Minerva Punjab FC. Odisha FC's president Rohan Sharma said, "I am happy to have Ravi join our squad. He is a goalkeeper with a lot of experience and can give good competition to Arshdeep Singh and Kamaljeet." Odisha has so far signed players like George D'Souza, Kamalpreet Singh, Henry Anthony, and Saurabh Meher, as well as midfielders Bauringdao Bodo, Laisram Premjit Singh, and Thoiba Singh. Now let's have a look at the biggest transfer rumors that were roaming around the market last week. Sergio Lobeda's side has sent an offer to Spanish third-tier striker Manuel Joes Vasquez Florido, better known as Chuli. Secondly, Jamshedpur FC have held talks with former Chennaiyin FC head coach Wayne Coyle. Thirdly, FC Goa are rumored to be interested in former Swansea City defender Chico Flores. Now our next update is on ATK Mohun Bagan. BCCI President Saurabh Ganguly has been named as one of the directors of the merged Indian Super League franchise ATK Mohun Bagan ahead of the upcoming season. Led by Sanjeev Goenka, who has acquired a majority 80% stake in the century-old Mohun Bagan club. The board will meet on 10th July to finalize the club's name, jersey and logo. Confirming the development, team co-owner and one of the directors Utsav Parekh told PTI, Ganguly is one of the team co-owners and 100% eligible to become a director. We will meet on 10th July for the first time to finalize our name, jersey and logo. At the time of registration with Ministry of Corporate Affairs last month, the ATK Mohan Bagan Private Limited presented 5 members. ATK co-owner Utsav Parekh, Mohan Bagan duo of Srinjoy Bose and Devashish Satto, and 2 other members, Gautam Roy and Sanjeev Mehra. It was just a formality, a paperwork to start the venture officially. Even Goenka was not part of the board. Then we have introduced him along with Ganguly. Parekh said on Sunday, before the merger, ATK had owned the ASL thrice and while Bagan had lifted I-League trophy twice. Our next update is on JJ Lal Peklua. The All India Football Federation AIFF has included JJ Lal Peklua in the list of recommended for the famed Arjuna Award. His name was added later to the initial list, which comprised of Sandesh Singh and Baladevi. The India international has 56 caps for the Blue Tigers and has 23 strikes to his name. JJ made his debut for the Senior India National Football Team in the 2012 AFC Challenge Cup qualification against Chinese Taipei and scored a goal. Now our next update is on AFC Elite Youth Scheme. The Asian Football Confederation has conferred the All India Football Federation with the AFC Elite Youth Scheme full membership status. AFC General Secretary Tato Windsor John informed the AIFF that its application for full membership of the Elite Youth Scheme has been approved by the Youth Panel. We are delighted to confer to the All India Football Federation the AFC Elite Youth Scheme full membership status and the Reliance Foundation Young Champs Academy and JSW Bengaluru FC Academy the 2-star academy status, which is subject to re-evaluation after 3 years, the AFC said in letter. So friends, this was today's video. If you like the video, please like and share the video with your friends, and obviously don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon as we provide the real and justified Indian football updates on our channel. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook and join our community as we have an objective to promote Indian football. You can get the links in the description below. So thank you friends. See you soon. Until then, stay safe and stay fit.